And
the National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cape Run, or near Harvard, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Woodstock, Harvard, Baringo, Poplar Grove, Richmond, Cape Run, Hebron, Timberlane, and Caledonia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.